Stem cells are special cells within our bodies that are critical to life. Every cell in our body begins as a stem cell. Stem cells have the ability to differentiate and become any cell type found in our bodies. This production of new cells from stem cells keeps us healthy throughout our lives.
As we age, our stem cells decrease in number and our bodies become less efficient at combating illness and healing from damage. Stem cell research is already showing promise in the treatment of various medical conditions, including but not limited to diabetes, heart disease, stroke, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis.
Stem cells are found in a rich supply inside of extracted wisdom teeth. A trusted process has been developed to collect and cryopreserve these stem cells. This will allow patients to have access to their bank stem cells whenever they may need them. We look forward to answering all of your questions about the future of stem cell banking.